I am Meenakshi from St. Joseph College of Arts and Science for Women, Ozur. I am Assistant Professor in Department of Mathematics. My topic is complex analysis. I take the in that complex analysis is second unit problems. Example problem. Uh, Consider the instance where C is given by the parabola x equal to t and y equal to t square. For t equal to 0, 1 to evaluate the integral f of z equal to z square. So integral f of z equal to z square as a function of t explicitly. So given function in that problem is f of z equal to z square is given function. Limit given line is in whatever given is parabola line. Parabola means x equal to t and y equal to t square is taking. Okay. Next, substituting, applying limits t1 equal to 0 and t2 equal to 0. After that, substituting whatever we get. Okay, solution. Given function is write it, that is f of z equal to z square. Then substituting x equal to t and y equal to t square and applying limit t1 equal to 0 and t2 equal to 1. Say, okay. So z is also already we know that complex number format, that is z equal to x plus iy. So putting z equal to x plus iy, then taking whole square. Okay. So f of z equal to z square, that is x plus iy the whole square. Okay, so we know that a plus b the whole square formula, no? So x square, that is minus y square, minus y minus means I square value is having, taking value is minus 1. So x square minus y square plus 2i into xy. Next, substituting x equal to t and y equal to t. So t square, y equal to t square. So x equal to t and y equal to t square means, so t square minus t power 4 minus 2i into x means t and y means 2t square. So the t cube. Okay. Next, z square into dz. So differentiating z square, z means dz. Okay. So z square into dz means what? So this is the format. We have formula t square minus t power 4 plus 2i into t cube means, what is the formula? That is a square plus 2ab, sorry, a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that is equal to a minus b the whole square. You know that a minus b. Here we have 2it, so rule of the 2it is plus only, so that a plus b the whole square. Here b is it, so that I square t power 4 means minus we having, so minus t power 4, so that t square minus t power 4 plus 2i into t cube equal to a plus b the whole square formula. So t plus it the it square the whole square into d of t plus it. Okay, next putting t equal to 1 and t equal to 2. So that 1 plus 2it, that is into dt. Okay, next. So integral z square into dz. So t plus it the whole square, it square the whole square plus into 1 plus 2it into dt we have. So next we see the explanation, that is derivation of this formula, and then after that deriving, that is a minus a plus b the whole square, then putting 1 plus 2it into dt. Okay, next multiplying these two functions. So t square, so t square into 1, next 2it cube. Okay, t square into 2it. Okay, next 2it cube. Okay, 2it cube. No, t power 4 into 1. So that minus t power 4. Next, t power 4 into 2it means we having 2i into t power 4. Okay, next Next, it separate it. That is, the real part is separate and the imaginary part separate. Integral also splitted. After that separating, we integrating both one. So first, t square means t cube divided by 3. 5 into t power 4 means 5 into t power 5 divided by 5. So 5 cancelled means t power 5 only. Putting the limit 0 to 1 plus I into t power 4 minus t power 6 divided by 3. So putting the limit 0 to 1, so we get the answer is minus 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 into I. Next, antiderivative. Antiderivative of a continuous function, that means antiderivative means derivative anti, that is f dash of z. That symbol is f, capital F dash of z equal to f of z. So differentiating the integrating function, this is called an antiderivative. So for example, f of z equal to z square has an antiderivative z cube divided by 3. This one is find, it means finding integral 0 to 1 plus I z square into dz. Okay, so integrating the z square means z cube divided by 3 over the limit 0 to 1 plus I. Upper limit, first of all, substitute it. 1 by 3 is taking outside. So 1 plus I the whole cube. Lower limit is 0, no? So anything 0 into anything 0 only. So a plus b the whole cube formula. A cube plus a cube plus b cube plus 3 into ab square plus 3 into a square b. So this is the formula. So substitute it. So we get the answer is 2 by 3 into 1 plus I. Thank you.